Which of the following is related to the primary sector? Correct answer is option C, farming. Why is the road density of Kerala much higher than that of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option C. Kerala has a higher population density and better urban connectivity. Which state has launched the EV electric vehicle policy 2.0? Correct answer is option B, Delhi state. What is the name of the first Salmonella vaccine? Correct answer is option B. What was the theme of International Tourism Day 2024? Correct answer is option B, tourism and peace. Where is Indra Point located? Correct answer is option D, southernmost point of Indian territory. Article 43B of the Indian Constitution is related to. Correct answer is option A, promotion of cooperative societies. Which hormone is released from the stomach? Correct answer is option B, gastrin hormone. Who described the Indian National Congress as a microscopic minority? Correct answer is option C, Lord Dufferin. Who was the king who denoted land to the Matrika dynasty? Correct answer is option C, Shiladitya. Who is the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Ganesh Kumar. Sharda Sinha is associated with which of the following fields? Correct answer is option C, music. Who among the following was not the leader of the extremist group? Correct answer is option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which Mughal prince built Bibi ka Maqbara? Correct answer is option C, Azam Shah. When was the right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 44 Amendment 1978. Which article of the Indian Constitution contains the provision for setting up an official language commission? Correct answer is option B, Article 344. Which of the following states is not a part of the Gangetic Plains? Correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Who is the chairman of the Airports Authority of India in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vipin Kumar. Where was the United Nations Biodiversity Conference held in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Colombia. Which emperor is known for establishing the most Buddhist monuments in India? Correct answer is option B, Ashoka the Great. What is the main purpose of pipelining in a CPU? Correct answer is option C, to increase instruction throughput. Which bank is known as the Bankers Bank or Bank of Banks in India? Correct answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. Which Mughal emperor is known as Zinda Pir? Correct answer is option C, Aurangzeb. Which is the largest artificial lake in Rajasthan? Correct answer is option C, Jismand Lake. To which country will India export the BrahMos missile for the first time? Correct answer is option B, Philippines. Rainfall during winters in India is mainly caused by. Correct answer is option C, Western disturbance. Where do all the deleted files go in a computer? Correct answer is option A, recycle bin. The headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission of India is located in. Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Article 246 of the Indian Constitution is related to. Correct answer is option B, distribution of legislative powers between union and states. Which city did Prime Minister Modi visit in Sri Lanka during his April 2025 trip? Correct answer is option C, Anuradhapura.